If you are wondering if we have a screen recorder available on Google Pixel 11, then the answer is yes. We do have a built-in screen recording app available on Google Pixel 11. You just have to go to the quick settings panel over here or the control center, and then you should be able to find somewhere this button here. In case you don't have it anywhere in this control center, then you can tap on this pen icon on the right side, and then in here you should be able to find the screen recorder somewhere. So let's see if we can find it. There we go. It is here in the display section, so you should be able to add it to this list over here. You can just tap over here on this button to start recording. You can decide if you want to record the entire screen or just select that app. You can record device audio, you can include the microphone, you can show selfie camera, and also you can show touches on the recording. And once you are ready, just tap on start. Here we have the countdown, and once it is recording, as you can see, we can just do whatever we want to record on our phone. Once you are done, you can, for example, tap on this notification here, and you can just stop very easily. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.